Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks, the back shop, and we're going to be doing something new in this episode. We're going to start building stuff. Why? Because I'm on a little bit of a pause with building any modules right now, and I need to backfill some videos. That's part of it. But so what I got here is a Red Caboose model. It's an American car and foundry, 40-footer in Maine Central. I never really paid attention to Maine Central, but I got a couple of N-scale Maine Central stuff, and I kind of really got attracted to their paint scheme. I don't know what it is. There's green and yellow, and they're orange and green. I don't know what it is. I like the way it looks. So I grabbed a couple of cars. That's mostly going to be my N-scale stuff. I'm going to try to make up a fictional interchange with them in the Erie or something. But that's what we're running with. I don't know what I'm doing. You guys should know that by now. I'm all over the place. All right, so all the pictures that I've seen of these cars, I'll post a couple of them over here. And over here is the modernized version without the top on it and the short ladders. So that's kind of what I'm going to go with, and we're going to start from there. Open this up. This is an old kit. They don't make these anymore, I don't believe. I don't believe Red Caboose even exists anymore. I'm not really sure. They think they were bought up by Intermountain, and kind of Intermountain doesn't make kits anymore, really. They make complete cars, and then when they do make kits, it's as expensive as buying a complete car, so it's kind of useless. I actually prefer kits. I just like building them. We're going to do the open door, and we're going to detail the interior of this. So this is going to be definitely more than a one video build. So stay tuned. All right, let's go take a look at this. I haven't put one of these together in over 20 years, so I have no recollection of what these were like. All right, so here's the ladders. These are the long ladders. These are the short ladders we're going to use. We're going to use the short break, short ladders. And I'm going to wait till like almost the very end to put these little stirrups on, because they're so friggin' fragile. Now, what I need to see is, ooh, a little bent in, but that's okay. The doors everything will fix that. What I need to do is I need to find out some pictures. I can see if I can get some interior pictures. I hate to make that. I need to get some interior pictures for this. I mean, this has, nice detail and stuff like that. And this underframe. Now, big ass nub going to cause a problem in here? Hope not. I might have to go in there and do a little work on that. But I want to get a picture of the insides of these. I don't remember. I don't know. I'm going to try to maybe do a little wood effect in here. Do not remember how these weights go in here. So this is the next question. There's a single weight. So if that sits in the middle like that. That sits in there like that. That's going to be a proper weight for this thing, but then I can't really do the interior the way I want it. So we're gonna look at that. Breeze through this really quick. I prefer pictures. Okay. Yeah, you're supposed to put this inside. So we're not going to do that. We're going to break out these tire weights, and we'll put them in directly over the wheels so you can see in and whatnot. I just gotta see what the interior is gonna look like on this, what the floors look like, because I want to leave the doors open, and I want to detail the floors a little bit. So we'll go from there, but we're gonna use that instead of that. So we'll leave that out. I believe somewhere in my pile of stuff I have a set of appropriate wheels, trucks and wheels, metal trucks and wheels for this. So I'm going to do that. I mean, this is a nice kit. They really are. So let me get this up here for you guys to take a better look. It really is nice. I mean, look at the markings. I can read those. Awesome. Printing on these are so nice. These Red Caboose kits were always like these when these first came out. These were like the kits to get. As a semi-craftsman kit with all your add-ons and stuff like that. These are really nice kits. I have a bunch of these. I think you've seen some of my other ones I had. I have a gondola around here and a couple other ones. But yeah, we're gonna do these doors. Some of these doors they show that they're yellow, so I don't have any paint that matches this color. If I can find the proper color, the yellow, Maine Central yellow, I may just reshoot these doors. I'm gonna do one door. I think I'm gonna do one door all the way open. I actually got a really cool hobo figure that I got, and I'm actually thinking about putting, having the hobo hanging out here, and then putting some stock and stuff on the inside. I may just leave one door open, leave the other door closed, but that leaves me having to paint out this interior a little bit. So we're gonna do a little more research on that. Because why would I do that before I start building anything? So I can tell you what I'm gonna do. But yep, let's go through this again. Like I got the Red Caboose. The wheels are plastic. They're obviously getting replaced because I'm not going to use plastic wheels. Kit's too nice for plastic wheels. These trucks are actually, I mean, I might wind up using these trucks just with metal wheels because these are like really nicely detailed. We're going to hit those with a little grimy black and a little rust, and got those look nice. I mean, dude, look at some of these little tiny ass details they have in here. I mean, these are really nice kits, and they're a bit of a challenge. We're not going to use these couplings, even though they're pretty decent from what I was told. I believe I used those on some of my older ones, but we're going to change that around. We're going to put, obviously, Katie's, probably the 48s, because I like them a little bit cleaner looking. So yeah, I mean, got a ton of underbody stuff. We're probably going to shoot these with a little grime on there. I think I'm going to tape off this. I'm going to tape off the bottom of this really cool, really good, get it nice and clean, and go through here. Now, the one thing that I do remember with this is that all these little holes under here, you'll want to take them out and you want to re-drill them. This ones on the side of the body, if I remember correctly, were actually pretty good. But if you got the drill bit out, you might as well open up those holes, and it makes it easier to attach everything, because if you go through, the bottom ones are going to have to get attached through the outside, but the ones on the sides are usually far enough over and in enough that you can actually just take the Tamiya and just give it a little on the inside, so you don't worry about messing up your outside at all. This one is all set for these smaller ones, these other ones. But I have this one, and I believe I have another Maine Central car coming. I don't remember if I won it or not. I gotta go check. It's actually the yellow or orange, they call it, and green. on it, and I just figured the two of those together would look pretty nice in a setup. And what I want to find is Caboose, Intermountain, and one of the other ones made a Bango and a Rustica, whatever, rail, product of Maine and produce of Maine car, and I want a couple of those. That's probably one of my top paint schemes. I love it. I love that paint scheme, the red, white, and blue. I remember that car as a kid, going up to Maine as a kid. I remember seeing that car, that paint scheme on cars up there, even though that's like in the 70s. So I'm going to go with those are probably the end of those lives. All right, so that's really it for this episode. Next episode, we're going to really start getting into this one. This one was a little quick, but, you know, it is what it is for this one. All right, guys. Thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. And please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. In the last, 2 or 3 months, the channel really jumped up a lot. And I want to keep that going. I'm working on a giveaway. We're going to start doing that. Like I said, I kind of just been sidetracked with a bunch of stuff. And my other channel with my bees started, and I'm working on that here and there. So I've just been really busy. And I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch me and listen to my jammering and everything else. And I hope you guys are really enjoying it. So once again, guys, thank you for watching. And as always, catch you later.